In 1967, African-American painters in Chicago created the Wall of Respect, giving birth to a national community mural movement. Honoring the spirit of the wall, the J coordinated the creation of a unique installation celebrating not one, but 5 vibrant cultures: Native American, Jewish, African-American, Latino, Hispanic, and Asian. Our goals were to establish the Jewish community and the J as leaders in addressing civic needs, to foster pride in one's own heritage, and to enhance appreciation of the values and physical beauty created by different cultures. Like the original wall, we depicted cultural images. However, our project is informed by local stories, it's highly interactive, and most significantly, it's portable. It's a yurt, or round tent, measuring 12 feet in diameter. The exterior walls were painted by professional artists. The roof was drawn by artists and painted by people of all ages and ethnicities in different parts of the city, and the inside is designed to display objects created by audiences. We're thrilled to see the growth of respect as our yurt travels in the metro area.